Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with a 2012 Holden Colorado, stock number 6833. This ran from the 1st 2012 to the 9th 2013. It has an LW 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LW 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left up door mirror, front bonnet no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate 1 dent and a few along the top, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door 2 dents, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, aftermarket touchscreen stereo, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,